Alright, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a sitting chart, and let's see how long it's gonna take me. Let's make a cool one. So I'm going to go to sitting charts and I'm going to create my own. So I'm going with this one. I'm gonna go with this one, darker color. So now, as you see, there is some movement here of the leaves, and you got the arrow that is going to be pointing people to go to the next page. So let's start with tables. So I'm going to put this table and I'm going to add a custom color which I wrote down. So it's kind of similar to what we're doing here. I mean, colors, you can choose any color you really want, right? Whatever client requires, you just do it. So let's go and put table one. Oops. Table one, and I'm going to do size 18 for now. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm going to do 4 tables on that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate it. So I'm going to put table 2. We can still go back and do the proper where it's gonna be. Right after we're gonna put some people. So let's put table number 3 somewhere here. And table 4. Table 4. Okay, so we got 4 tables. And now let's put some names. I'm going to, I can duplicate this really, but I'm going to change to something more of a silver color. Let me see, maybe a little bit darker. Actually have a color here. Oops. 9 FA 4A3. I'm going to put this color. All right. So I'm going to put Dallas Novak, George Novak, Kathy Novak, Joe Novak, Kay Novak. 2, 4, 5. Let's do 6 per table. So obviously you can change the font size here. If you have less people, you can put higher. Let's just put let's just put 18. 18 is fine. We can put this to be 20. So then we're gonna change that to 20. change that to 20. All right, so now we can position it better. So before I start putting, so obviously you can copy and paste from a Word file. Oops. So you can copy and paste from Word file all the names. So copy in the Word, and so Command C, copy, Command V you would put in here. So this way you can get it, you don't have to write it down here, you can just simply copy paste it here from Word file, Facebook, text file, whatever it is that you have written, doc file, PDF file, doesn't matter what it is. For just because I'm doing this as an example, I'm just going to copy and paste this here. So now I know I'm going to go as far, because I'm going to put a photo of the couples in the middle. That's why I'm doing it like that, so you can see it. I'm going to duplicate that, and I'm going to duplicate that. Perfect. So I have 4 tables for this. I have 4 tables for this one, and I'm going to insert a random file of a couple. Of course, you're gonna have a different one, and just because I placed it last, I'm going to have to bring 2 backwards, so behind my lettering, right? There you go. So the couples are behind my letters. So this way, I'm going to put black so I can see it. Text outline. I'm going to put black. It's more visible on the white in here. And I can even do it here. It will be a little bit more visible. There you go. So there you have it. 3, table 4. There you go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the title here. So I'm gonna use the same font, and I'm going to put Dallas, for example. I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to I'm going to fade this in, and I'm going to change to something, not this one, this. This one. This one is more of a, there we go. Make it nice and stand out. You can put it right here. And then I'm going to duplicate that, and I'm going to put at end. And I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to go like that. You can, of course, add some outline if you like. I'm going to just make it stand out a little bit. And I'm going to duplicate this again, and I'm going to put Justin. So we're gonna put that right here. Just like that. You can also use your arrows. Go a little bit here. Just like that. That is fine. Of course, you can do it differently. You can do it in line, or you can play around. This is just an example. So I'm going to do it like that. There you go. Okay, so now we have done this in, I'm looking at the time, it's 12 minutes. And now to the photo, we can add fade in. So they're just going to fade in. So I'm going to put them a little bit delay here, and just like that, I'm going to fade in. You have two animations, wipe or fade in. I'm going to wipe this and wipe this. So there you have it. Beautiful setting chart ready to go as a first page. Of course, you can do more pages however you want, how many tables you want. This is just an example of, yes, you can do the setting charts just like that. Let me know what you think.